Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a specific word in Safari on iPhone. So, for example, this is the page, and then tap there, and then tap on Find on Page, and then there you can just type in anything. So, for example, I want to search for the word math, so just type in math, and then there it is. So you could also so find on page, and then so now it says 1 of 8. You can tap on the arrow there to see all of the word math on that page. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.